1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun song by Elton John, Crocodile Rock. Cool. So in standard tuning, we got some bar chords, so it could be a little bit difficult for beginners. Anyway, let's check it out. We got G major. Song is in G. We got E minor. 1, 2. We got C. 1, 2, 3. We got D. So that's the beginning. When he starts singing, instead of going to the E minor, we're going to go from G to B minor. So the verses are, when he's singing, is always B minor from G. Bar 2, 4, 4, 3. And then everything else is the same. C major. Alright, so first verse. Chorus starts with E minor, bam, ba, dam, da, 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 to A7, on to A7, D7. Well, that's the turnaround D major to G major. So that's the beginning of the chorus. Second time we go to E, it's going to be an E7 instead of E minor. 1, 2, 2. Same A7, D7, and then it ends with. That's D sus. C sus to regular C. 3 times. So from C, you just put down your pinky on the D string, 3rd fret. And then the la 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 la. That's like the intro, E minor. La 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 la. C major. La 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 la. Verse. Major, B minor, C major, D major. E minor, chorus here, A7, D7, G major to E7. There's all 7 chords. Okay, so let's go over all the parts. Let's review everything before we end the lesson. Intro, and the la 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 la. Always G major, E minor, C, D. When the verse starts, it's G to B minor, C, D. Okay, and then the chorus, E minor, A7, D7, G. Second time, E7, A7, D7, and then the C sus to C. And then it's back to cool. Fun song on the acoustic guitar for sure. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Be safe. Take it easy.